Hi guys, it's Phil again, and it's going to be a quick tutorial today. What I'm going to be showing you is keyframing. What keyframing is basically how you can animate objects really easily. So this is just going to be the basics today. So what I'm going to do to demonstrate this is just click up here and grab a cube, and what we can do here is we've got our moving tools and we've got our timeline down at the bottom here. So what we can do is we've got our key here. What we can do is click the key, and what that does is saves all the settings of the cube and tells it exactly where it is and exactly where it's sat. And then all we've got to do is drag this little green cube down to, let's say, 25. What you got to remember is it's set to 25 frames a second. So that means that every 25 it's 1 second of animation been recorded. So if we move to 25, that means in 1 second whatever we do to this cube it will happen. So say we just move it to the right, and all we've got to do now then is click this little key again and click the go back to the start of this timeline, press play, and you'll see it moves. It's that simple, dead easy. If you wanted to do it where it moves to this point here and then goes back, you don't have to remember exactly where you saved it and exactly all the coordinates. All you have to do is click on the first keyframe so it turns orange, press Control, and then just drag it and it duplicates it exactly, so you've got an exact copy. So what you'll see now is it'll go to the space and go back instantly. Now you can do this where you select the timeline, press Command A, and it'll select everything, and you can do the exact same and duplicate it again. So you can have it where it's moving backwards and forwards. If you wanted it so you had more frames in your timeline, all you've got to do is this box that I've just highlighted, just change the number in that. So if we say we went from 90 to 150, just type in 150, press enter. Then to get that to appear up here on your timeline, all you need to do is click and drag this arrow to show them where it is. Another way you can do a keyframe is within the settings of your objects. If you click on your cube, you've got all your settings and object properties here. So what we can do is you've got these little dots at the side. So if we just drag this to the beginning, press the circle, and you'll see it turn red. And what that's done is created a keyframe for that specific setting of the cube. And all we've got to do is move it to 25 or wherever you want to, and then change the setting, and then press the circle again. And what you'll notice is it changes size. And it's really that simple. And yeah, that's basically it. Any questions, leave it down in the comments, and we'll see you again soon.